What is up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate SOPs automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To generate SOPs using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for generating our SOPs. To create this skill, I'm going to hit customize and click on skills right here to create our skill. And here I'm going to click on create skill, and then we're going to create the skill using Claude. I'm going to hit enter. So we can describe the skill that we would like Claude to generate. And here, create a skill that converts a single paragraph business description into a fully structured set of standard operating procedures. The skill should analyze the input and generate SOPs that include purpose, scope, definitions, roles and responsibilities, required tools and systems, step-by-step procedures, workflow stages, decision points, quality standards, compliance requirements, escalation paths, exception handling, reporting and documentation, KPIs, risk consideration, and review and approval process. The output must be formatted as a clean, well-organized Google Docs document with clear headings, consistent structure, and professional formatting. And it must automatically generate and return a shareable Google Docs link containing the completed SOPs. So now to create our skill, I'll hit enter right here. Let's give it a minute or two for it to create our skill for us. Let's give it a minute or two for it to create a skill. So here you can see it successfully created our skill. So it's going to be responsible for generating our SOPs right here. So give it these instructions, and then a minute or two, it generated for us this comprehensive skill we're going to use to create our SOPs. So here's how the tool works. We're going to paste our business description. Then Claude is going to generate our SOPs. Here I'm going to save the skill. Here's the description of the skill, overview, instructions, how to authenticate with Google. Now it's going to generate our SOPs, then add to a Google Docs. This is incredible. You can tell it that Google Drive is connected. After the SOPs are generated, add to Google Docs in my Google Drive, and I would like to update the skill with this information. So now it automatically generates this SOPs and then adds the SOPs to a Google Docs in my Google Drive. I'm going to hit enter. So here you can see it successfully updated our skill. Here's what it's changed. So it removed the OAuth token flow entirely. And the skill now uses our Google Drive MCP. This is incredible. What we're going to do, we're going to use our skill and paste the business description. Then Cloud will generate the SOPs, save it to a Google Drive, and return the Google Docs link. This is exactly what we wanted. So here I'm going to save this skill. And then I'm going to upload and replace the one that we had previously. Now here we can preview our skill to see the changes that it just made over here. This is incredible. This is awesome. So now we can go ahead and generate SOPs using our new and updated skill. To do that, we're going to use our skill. So we're telling Cloud using our skill, generate SOPs for service business that manages inbound leads, appointment scheduling, client onboarding, customer communication, invoicing, and project management using a small operations team and multiple software tools. So to generate the SOPs using Claude, I'm going to hit enter right here and give it a second for it to generate our SOPs. We're going to allow it. Now let's give it a second for it to generate our SOPs and save it directly to our Google Drive. So here you can see it successfully used our skill to generate our SOPs. And after it generated our SOPs, it added the SOPs to our Google Drive. Here's the link. And try opening it right here. Then in this link, you can see we have all these sections. So now let us open our link to preview our SOPs. So here you can see the SOPs that it generated for us over here. Has a total of 18 pages. This is incredible. This is a comprehensive standard operating procedures that is generated for us over here for service business operations. You can see all the different sections. Over here, the purpose, the scope, definitions, roles and responsibilities, required tools and systems, step-by-step procedures with its phases. So you can see the first phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase, fifth phase, and the sixth phase, and the seventh phase over here. And you can see the workflow stages, the decision points, quality standards, compliance requirements, escalation paths, exception handling, reporting and documentation, key performance indicators over here, risk consideration, lastly the review and approval process. This is really incredible. So we generated this comprehensive SOP automatically and added the SOP to Google Docs right here to preview it using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is really incredible. So let us try generating a different SOP for a different business or niche. To generate a new SOP for a new business or niche, we're still going to use our skill, then tell Claude using the skill generate SOPs for a dental clinic that handles patients inquiry, appointment scheduling, treatment coordination, insurance verification, follow-up reminders, billing, and daily front desk operations across multiple staff members and systems. To generate the skill over here, give it a minute or two for it to generate our SOPs that will be saved directly to our Google Drive. You can see it successfully generated our SOPs for a dental clinic right here. Here are all the sections that are in the SOPs, total of 16 sections. And here's the link to our SOPs. To preview it, I'll just click this link and I'm going to open it right here. Now, when you open our link, here you can preview our SOPs for our dental clinic. Here you can see all the different sections, including the purpose, scope, definition, roles and responsibilities, required tools and systems, and the step-by-step procedures with its phases right here. And the workflow stage, decision points, quality standards, compliance requirements, escalation path, exception handling, reporting and documentation, key performance indicators, risk considerations, and lastly, review and approval process. This is incredible. So this is a comprehensive SOP document that is generated for us over here for dental clinics. This is incredible. The first one was for service business. The second one was for a dental clinic. We generated using our SOP skill. We created right here in Claude. Let us try generating another SOP document for a different business. Now to generate our SOPs for a different business, we're still going to use our skill. I'll search for skill and tell Claude, use this skill to generate SOPs for a real estate agency that manages property inquiries, lead qualification, property showings, client follow-ups, contract processing, agent coordination, and transaction management across multiple agents and administrative stuff. To generate the SOPs, I'm going to hit enter over here. Here you can see successfully generated our SOP documents from here and saved it to our Google Drive. So we're creating SOPs for real estate agencies, and here are all the sections that are in the document. This is really incredible. So now to preview the SOPs, I'll just click this link to open it. Here are our SOPs that we created for a real estate agency right here with all these different sections. So you can see the purpose section, scope, definitions, roles and responsibilities, required tools and systems, step-by-step procedures right here, workflow stage, decision points, quality standards, compliance requirements, escalation path, exception handling, reporting and documentation, key performance indicators, risk consideration. The last section is the review and approval process. This is really incredible. So here we generated a real estate agencies SOPs, then we also generated a dental clinics SOPs, and that's one of the service business operations SOPs. So we generated these standard operating procedures for a business using the skill that we created right here in Claude. Thank you for watching. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business. But if you enjoyed this video, just make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.